My name is Stephen Bendish. I am a car salesman and a romantic novelist, hence the pen name Stephen Nightingale. I've been writing my novel now for 32 years.
Often I feel that I actually am channeling the spirit of Barbara Cartland. Many's the time that Mother has come in to catch me sat there at the typewriter, wearing her twin satin pearls. "Stephen, what on earth are you doing? I did not know I'd given birth to a cross-dresser." I say, "Mother, I am not. I am just channeling the Barbara Cartland through my fingers to the typewriter and the ribbons."
"Barbara Cartland? Even she made a more possible woman than you do, Stephen Bendish."
"You're queer, that's what you are, Stephen. You're queer. You dress as a woman and use a typewriter. Even I use a computer, Stephen. What are you, an imbecile?" I say, "Calm down, Mother. You're going to interfere with the spirit of Barbara Cartland." Mother is seldom impressed with my excuses, and she's seldom enthusiastic about what I write either. "Oh, not another transcript to read," she says. I say, "But Mother, you are my trusted critic. Please read. Please be honest," I say. But the trouble is, she's often just that little bit too honest. The problem is, you see, is that she's not exactly a fan of the romantic novel. She prefers action stories, things about the SAS, 120 by that man, whoever was in the SAS and wrote it. She says, I want your characters to live out my fantasies, not yours." I say, "But I'm the writer, they've got to be my fantasies." But she says, "You don't put any fantasies in it. There's no car chases, there's no violence, and you only hint at any sexual liaisons." I say, "Barbara Cartland only hinted. We leave our characters going towards the bedroom when the door closes, and then metaphorically later, the door opens and both the characters are satisfied." She was saying, No, lay it out in front of me. I want to see it in all this graphic detail." I said, "That's not the sort of novelist that I am, Mother." She said, "You'll never make a novelist unless you can write things that turn people on." I turn people on, Mother? The written word can send people to the most amazing of places. She says, "You send them to dull places. No one wants to publish you." I say, "Well, I've never been so insulted in my life."